Dr. Bibian Ugwala, your course instructor for GST102 Use of English and Communication Skills 2. Welcome to Module 1, Unit 2. Unit 2 is about development of the paragraphs. In your writing, you have different ways of developing the paragraph depending on what you want your reader to know. Basically, we have two broad ways of developing the paragraphs. The first is those which strictly stay within the scope of the topic. Examples, illustrations, definitions, as well as causes and effects. The second technique involves a second topic, examples, comparison, and contrast. Development of the paragraph through illustrations. In this method, you give examples. Giving examples help the reader to understand difficult and abstract topics, which may be contained in the topic sentence. In this kind of paragraph development, you use phrases like for instance, for example, an example, and so on. Through description. When you want to develop a paragraph through description too, in this method you are creating a clear and accurate picture of a subject to your readers. The descriptive method of paragraph development is concerned with giving details. The more precise your vocabulary, the better your writing. You use this method in your personal letters, in narratives, and so on. You may include the following when using the descriptive method of paragraph development. Place and position. For example, if you want to describe to a fellow student or to a friend how to come to National Open University in Jabi, and you are doing this through writing, you have to describe the place and where the school is for your reader to be able to understand how to get to the national headquarters. You also give the direction. There are cases where you need to state measurements, sizes, volume, distance. Also shapes, patterns, colors, and textures. When you are using this method, begin with the general to the specific. Select physical details that will support the description of the general appearance you have given in your first paragraph. For instance, since we have the Apex Security Institute in the country close to National Open University, that is the ESCC, if you are describing to your friend how to get to the national headquarters, you have to include the ESCC in your writing. You tell the reader that once you get to ESCC, that National Open University is close to ESCC. You also describe object by giving a general characteristic such as color. Make sure you have to arrange your ideas in a definite order. Thank you. Do not forget to visit your course material